Hello everyone, today we will be making fried squash patties with shrimp. 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 10 chopped chili for optional spiciness, desired amount of salt, 1 tablespoon of ginger, 2 large onions chopped, desired amount of coriander, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 7 to 8 chopped shrimp, 1 medium-sized summer squash cut into large slices as shown. Put all the ingredients into a large container and mix well. Once everything is mixed together, shape the mix into ovals as shown. With the oil at medium heat, begin frying the patties until both sides are golden brown. With your patties now done, enjoy. Please remember to like and subscribe for future recipes. Thank you everyone.